Hi and good evening everyone. We are from group 3 and we will present our group progress for the last week. Is it week 8? So I Muhammad Azhar Reza bin Muhammad Rais and my friend is
My name is Tuan Ahmad Hakim bin Tuan Ahmad Jeffrey.
So let's go to the first slide. Is it our Gantt chart, and you can see in week 8 is improvement for our product or our project. Okay.
And today we are going in detail about improvement in our design and why we choose this idea. In the first slide, we can see the first improvement that we made is we attach the T-slot at the grid so that it can reduce vibration when we use a mini machine in this product. We can see in the second slide we made a second improvement, which is in this design we add a practical handle for carrying and handling, which is make me more easier to use, and with this we use ergonomic design to ensure comfortable and convenience during use. In the third slide we can see the improvement we made. We attach the door in front of product because when we clean the product we just open the door and just do the process of maintenance in this part, so that we don't need to lean the product on the floor. We just open the accessible door and just clean.
So in last week progress is we do improvement to our project based on feedback that we get during interview. So the person we interview is Muhammad Saiful Aiman. He is more experienced in 3 years during teaching for TVET teacher, and experience in industry is 2 years in chemical engineering, and he is development department, and that's the reason why we choose their idea for improve our product or project.
Okay, in this slide we want to share you that one company that have a waste management solution. So in this slide we can see MMC from Malaysia is one company that provide sustainable waste management solution, which is they recover and recycle and reduction of the industrial waste such like metal and electronic waste to support a circular economy.
So on the last slide you can see that is projek yang sedia ada lah, yang ada di pasaran. So projek ni dengan projek kami mempunyai objektif yang sama, iaitu untuk mengasingkan sisa bahan yang setelah melakukan pekerjaan. So tapi projek ni produk yang sedia ada digunakan hanya untuk kerja kayu. Dia boleh menarik untuk habuk kayu, sisa potongan kayu, dan produk yang sedia ada ni tak boleh untuk digunakan dalam method kami lah, iaitu untuk mengasing besi, kerana satu dia cukup bahaya, boleh menghasilkan spark ataupun letupan kecil sekiranya habuk besi ditarik. So selain tu produk ni tak berapa nak tak dapat tak cukup kekuatan untuk menarik metal-metal, sisa-sisa metal, iaitu seperti serpihan besi yang telah dipotong. So dia tidak terlalu efektif sekiranya digunakan untuk metal das ataupun air das.